Hi friends, yesterday we learned about silent E, and today we're going to look at our vowels again and talk about how the silent E changes each vowel sound. So our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. And when they are in a word where we see that pattern that we talked about yesterday and there's a silent E on the end, the vowel will say its name. So instead of making the normal sound that these letters would make, they would say A, E, I, O, or U. They would sound just like their name. So let's do a few examples. Today, we are going to focus on only the A and the O vowel sounds. So we're going to do a few of these examples together, and then you're going to try some on your own. Write a word, and I want you guys to tell me what vowel you see in that word, and we're going to talk about how that vowel sounds because of the quiet E. So let's start with a word that doesn't have a quiet E. Let's do the word mat. This A makes its sound because there's no quiet E. M-at, mat. Let's add a quiet E and see how it changes that word. Now that E is going to kick that A and make it say its name. So now instead of m-at, the A no longer says at, it says A. See if you can sound out this new word. M-a-t, mate. So the word mat changes to the word mate when we add that quiet E because it changes the vowel sound. Let's try another one. Here's a word that does not have a quiet E. Can you sound that one out? What word is it? H-at, hat. Let's add that quiet E and see how the word changes. Now the A will say its name. H-a-t, hate. So mat changes to mate, hat changes to hate. Let's do a few examples with an O in them. Now let's look at some words that have an O in them. M-odd. This is the word m-odd. Before the quiet E, the O says ah. Let's add the quiet E and see how it changes. Now it has a quiet E, which will kick the O and make it say its name. So instead of m-odd, mod, we have m-o-d, mode. See how the word changes? That vowel sound is different when there's a quiet E. Let's do another one. R-ob, rob, changes to, with a quiet E, kicks the O, makes it say its name. R-obe, robe, robe. So all of these words change whenever that quiet E is there because it kicks the vowel and makes it say its name. So today we're focusing on the long vowel sound of the A and the O. So here's some examples.